Good morning, traders. This is Roger from Aitg here with you on May 15th at 9:14 Central Standard Time in the United States. And I'm here today to present the second day of video audio updates on our setups here. First one I want to show is the 1 hour Haas breakout London, one and done using the 4-hour heat map. This thing took 2 days, but that's okay. We hit a basket for $8.89, which is 44 pips. Not bad. Just London's kicking right along there. Again, took a low amount of trades, 5 trades to make that. So good for London. London's kicking. Next, we'll show you the 1 hour Haas breakout. Well, let me correct myself. Next is the daily heat map. And this is, again, a one and done basket. Took 7 trades and we picked up 97 pips. That was a good night. You can see right now that the account is well over 50% in equity. That's not bad. Starting, that's I think 16 trading days now. So nothing to show here because this is the daily heat map, and then we have no charts on. So gonna keep on rocking there on this daily heat map. All right, so let me set up for the next one. Yeah, excuse me, I have multiple screens here, so I have to pause the recording for a second to move the screen over. So be with you in a second. Okay, next is the 4-hour heat map. And remember, as I stated in a couple updates ago, I added the ADR take profit to as part of my rescue strategy to peel off some trades early and profit there and build up this cycle profit and loss so we can overcome negative basket equity. And if you look back, you can see that the max net equity, the worst it's been, is negative 465. Now we're only down 282. So this thing is working back. The plan has worked, and I believe I illustrated yesterday. I did hedge a couple pairs. One was the euro yen, and you can see right now price is just malingering in between the buy and the sell here, which is okay because it's buying me time. It's neutralized the margin that a negative pair and drawdown would usually eat up. Again, buying me time for the stronger, healthier pairs to get in profit and close. Another hedge. Let's see here. I think the other hedge closed. Yeah, the other hedge that I had on here closed in profit. So that worked its way out. The way you do that is you have your take profits on the buy and the sell, and apparently what happened is that take profit took off on the one side, and then price reversed and hit the take profit on the opposite side. So very pleased with that. Another thing you can do is you can manually put on a take profit. Just drag put your mouse over the sell line, your entry line there, and drag it down and let go, and that puts on take profit. And we'll do the same thing up here with the buy. All right. So again, all we want to do with the whole purpose of this process here. Well, what happened here? I know I can put multiple take profits on. There we go. Well, I don't know. Something's wrong here. Usually you can put the multiple take profits on and they stick. Well, anyway, have to look into that. Oh yeah, so it's good to look at the 4-hour chart since we are on a 4-hour chart here. For some reason this guy doesn't want to act right now. All right. Well, you can see that. Get back to the dashboard. You see that it is working out, and we'll check up on it tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I can report this setup being in profit and closed. All right. For the next one, but before I move on, I have multiple screens here, and this disclaimer, this one-click trading disclaimer pops up, but you got to hit I accept and OK in order to do for you to pull manual stop losses and take profits. Of course, this is common knowledge with most of you traders that use MT4. I just didn't see it because it was up on the top corner screen there. So now we can pull our take profits and set up, and then go back and again, like I said, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully this will be a closed basket with profit, and we'll move on and start up the setup for continuation. So, all right, let me get ready for the next viewing. All right, the next one is the 1 hour Haas breakout, the one and done. Again, using the 4 hour heat map. And look at this. This was down almost 500 pips, as you can see right here, the max equity drawdown. And it has come all the way back. Now the basket equity as a whole is only down 57 pips. All right. I'll make a determination once I get into profit here, as long as it continues to go my way, whether to let the let it hit the equity lock and lock in 70 pips, or just get a few pips into the green and close it out and start over. This one, unlike the 4 hour heat map that I showed, where I have the ADR take profit turned on, not needed here because I have my charts open, and I have in my Haas trading system the trailing stop loss activated. So I'm peeling off trades as they lock into profit on an individual basis. So I have 249 pips or dollar. Well, we've got to factor that out. $249 in the bank there. That's helped me overcome this negative overall basket equity here. So again, negative 60 pips. Tomorrow we'll come back and see, and I'm hoping and I'm believing we'll be in profit. Again, I hope this what I've showed you guys so far. I hope you showed some not so much skill, but resilience and courage and patience to nurse back to health a bad basket, a bad trade situation. It can be done. You just have to have patience. Again, I could have just punched out, closed out, and ate 500 pips or somewhere in that neighborhood. We do have some hedges here. Let's look at those real quick. And here, I think I showed this yesterday, where I have one buy, and then I put on two positions of the low here, or of the sell, which would overcome. And you can see here that this will eventually here within the next, I don't know, let's see, $1.50. Got to come probably the next 15-20 pips. It will break even, and at that time I'll just close that trade out. So let's see, we have another hedge here, I believe, and this is just a 1-to-1 hedge. All right, equal positions, sell and buy. Again, the purpose here is to, even though this is going in profit, this buy, all right, while this is going in profit, this is going further drawdown, but it's still overall this trade here is neutralized. All right, it's not going to get any worse, all right, than what it was when I first got in there. It's just, all I'm doing is putting a finger in the dike and holding the water back long enough to bail out all the water and get into positive ground. So I think I have one more, the Rincos, to show, and I'll get those set up here in a second. All right, the final setup to show you today is the Rincos. You can see they're just, well, they don't want to go nowhere. We got a flat line across the board here. It hasn't gotten any worse. It hasn't gotten any better. We are peeling off trades using the ADR take profit. And we have a couple hedges here. again, purpose of neutralizing. The problem with, I guess, it's all price action when you look at it, but the thing with the difference between the charts of a Renko and a time chart, Renkos are pip based or volume based versus filling up those 12-ounce or 20-ounce glasses of water versus a time chart where every hour, every 4 hour, every day, you get a new candle. But no need to panic. We're just above my tolerance on margin level, so I'm keeping an eye on this, and we'll see what happens here. And I remember, hey, right now I started out this with $3,000, and I'm only really down $26 right now from my original starting point. So, no need to panic. Just have to have the courage and the patience to see what happens. So, hopefully, we'll have something a little bit better to report on the Rinkos tomorrow. All right, well, that concludes today's daily update, and please provide some feedback to us at Aitg via our Forex Factory forum at Stress Free Trading, and look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. All right, have a great day.